Budgeting my paycheck toward my mortgage. Let's do this. So, work pays us every 2 weeks, and this is my check for this pay period. If you've seen my past videos, you know I sometimes end up in the negative. And, yep, this one's rough too. This time, I brought home $401.68. That's lower than usual since I only worked about 30-ish hours. Now for the bills, this is where the money disappears. Mortgage. I always set aside $410 from every check. Electric bill came in at $67.95, not too bad. Gas for the car, about $32.15, which lasts me a couple weeks. Trash bill, easy one, just $28 monthly. Insurance, also monthly, $89.41. Lower than what I used to pay, so that's still a win. Groceries, $0 this time. I could only put $50 toward it, but at least it's something. When you add it all up, I'm left at negative $275.83 for this paycheck. So yeah, not the best. Baby steps in all things, and I know we'll get there. Stay strong, people.
Remember, start budgeting smart today, protect your credit, and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.